If there's one thing I hate, it's Monday mornings. And this morning it's wet, it's miserable. I've only had one coffee. The traffic was a nightmare, but look what's just arrived to cheer me up. This is the 812 Competizione, and it's a very special car. It looks fantastic in this matte red, which is actually the same red as used on the Ferrari Formula 1 cars from 2022. Revised carbon aero package, giving more downforce than a standard 812 Superfast, 38 kilograms lighter, no back window. Instead, we've got these incredible carbon fiber vortex generators, blue seats, which is a nod of the hat to the 250 GTO, 830 horsepower V12, which is good for 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds, 211 miles an hour, 1.2 million pounds, and it's here today because it's too quiet. We need to make it noisier, so we're going to fit an exhaust system, we're going to put a full Novitec on it and wake the dead. First things first, let's do a sound check of the standard system. .7. So to be fair, 116 dB is already good for a road car, but the Novitec will give us more volume and a nicer exhaust note. So time to get the car in the air on the ramp, and then with incredible timing, the parts turned up on a truck, so let's get them unboxed. After all that unboxing, this is what we're left with. This is the full Novitec system. So we've got the sports cats that are much less restrictive than the standard OPF that's fitted to this car from factory. These will make a big difference to both volume and power. We've got the new rear silencers, which are valved. The valves are on the back there. When the valves are closed, the exhaust gases will run through this silencer, so you can imagine how noisy that's going to be already. And this is the new center section, which is an X-pipe, like so. And then we've got the new tailpipes, which are these here. Right, let's get to it. Now Barry's got the standard OPF unit off the car, it's a good opportunity to show you the difference between the factory unit and the Novitec, so you can see the shape of that and the restriction that will then cause to the flow of the exhaust gases, and in comparison, that's the Novitec unit, which is also much lighter, much more freer flowing, so will make a big difference. So let's get them on the car. Okay, time to do sound check with the new Novitec fitted. Okay, Barry? Hundred and 122.4.